How do you feel when you see that Jianwu is a naval version of a carrier-based aircraft? Are you excited? Don't shout excitedly yet, because there is no official naming, model confirmation, or performance disclosure from Chinese officials such as the Ministry of Defense and the People's Liberation Army. The information about the J-50 circulating on the internet is mostly from military enthusiasts, self-media, and analytical speculation. Its specific details should be subject to future official announcements. According to multiple non-authoritative sources, the record of this so-called J-50 is usually depicted as the following characteristics. The J-50 is defined as a sixth-generation stealth carrier-based fighter, designed for aircraft carriers, and forms a high and low match. With the existing 35, it adopts a lambda wing flying wing layout without vertical tail and flat tail. It cooperates with the flight control of the full power room to greatly reduce the area of the radar reflection joint and achieve omnidirectional stealth. It is equipped with two engines with binary vector nozzles, presumed to be a turbofan 15 or a new generation of variable cycle engines with supersonic cruise capability. The front landing gear is equipped with a traction hook and adopts a two-wheel reinforced design, which can be folded to accommodate electromagnetic catapult takeoff and blue group landing. As an air combat node, it can command the Zhongcheng Liaoji drone group to cooperate and carry